Welcome everyone. We're up at the newer wood spot. Just kind of a quick run up here and cut some wood. I'm back to that tree that I cut out of the road that I talked about in the other video from up here. Today I'm just cutting some firewood for at home, and also for the gnome wood splitter, taking him some wood. Our schedules haven't been able to match up yet, and I'm thinking that winter might hit one of these days and get too much snow and not get us a chance to get out. So I'm gonna take them some wood for their fire pit. Anyway, what I'm running today is the Taz XP, and I've got a different muffler on it, and I'm running the Husky 350. I got a 20-inch bar on the 350. I'm building that saw into a saw that I could just use for chunk out because it's a lighter, smaller saw. So I went with a 20-inch instead of a 24-inch because I don't need 24 inches when I'm up in a tree. I don't think. If I do, we'll figure something out. I'll just throw a 24-inch bar on it or whatever. But those don't come along often. So anyway, I want to try that. Just running a skip tooth, hand filed chain on it, and running a square grind on the Taz XP. The muffler that I have on the Taz XP is the one that my nephew built for me way back. That's been, oh gosh, I don't know how long that's been. So anyway, I hope you're all having a great day, and welcome to all the new subscribers. We're kind of cruising right along here. doing really well. Thanks everybody for watching the content and sharing and everything that everybody does for this community and for this channel. I truly appreciate it. Check out the new shirt. Yeah, I know it's kind of something with whatever, but it's like a real picture, right? Check it out. Right? Oh yeah. And then the back, I don't know if it lined up real well, but I think it's good enough. Anyway, let's get to it. Let's cut some. I'm going to limb some with the 350 and cut a couple smaller pieces off of this one laying up the bank right there. And then I'll use the 372 for cutting this stuff here. All right. Okay. Hope you enjoy. That's nice firewood. 350 runs pretty good. Runs real good. Full wrap handle, 20-inch bar, lightweight. Pretty good unit for up in the tree, right? That's a nice little saw. Skip tooth, 3/8 chain. Skip tooth for our softwood. Got the dogs from Cheap Chainsaw Parts. Got the bar from Eric Weekland. He's on Facebook Marketplace. Go check him out. Eric Weekland. He sells bars. Samura, lightweight and non-lightweight. All different spectrum of them. This is for the smallmount husky. He sells those. Sells them for largemount husky, largemount still, normal regular mount still. Great service. Good prices. Go check them out. Go check out Cheap Chainsaw Parts too. Loving it. Walker Saw Shop has helped us too. Thanks everybody. Let's get 372 out. Taz XP. Nice firewood. We got to get that one rolled out with the peavy. We want to cut in the dirt. That is nice wood. That peavy works great. We didn't get it rolled out, but we got it rolled over. chopping block. See how that's going to hit? No messing around there, right? Chopping block for sure. You can see the angle of the bit. The angle of the bit with the handle, right? So now if I split a piece of wood down here, let's look at it. Let's look at this. Can you see that? Hope you can see this. If I just come up here and swing like that, see that? In order to make it go flat, I have to go like this. Clear down there on the ground, right? But up here on this chopping block, see that? Oh, you can get such whip action out of that. I'm going to split it right around that knot. Hear that? I mean, that's whip action. That's amazing. Oh yeah. And for flick, see that? The flick is simple. The flick is simple. It's easier. It's easier with the Adirondack handle. It's easier. You have twist. You have twist here. There. See that? Whack. That is amazing, Tom. This is amazing. That front of that handle is super cool. That's got some strength in it. Strength for days. There we go. Huh? Oh, it's wicked. I'm telling you, folks, the whip action you can get with that is unreal. Because it rolls into your hand. There, right? Instead of there. You get different pressure points with it. Definitely different pressure points. See that? Never had to bend over, not once. Well, I might have to. Nope. That's beautiful, Tom. Unbelievable. Awesome. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it. On to the next one, right? Oh yeah. Got quite a few things done today already. We're gonna go down the road and we're gonna finish this load out with cedar. Yeah, cedar for kindling. Makes great kindling. Love it. All right, everybody. I love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling on the mountain. Stay tuned.